Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share our itinerary for stops along the road to Hana in Maui, Hawaii. This is a must-do for any adventure-seeking family, including moms who travel with kids, but it can be overwhelming knowing which stops to see, how long it will take, so I am sharing how we did the road to Hana. I'm Stephanie Calderon, an essential oil educator, certified essential oil specialist, and I'm definitely part of the Moms Who Travel Club. We are an RV family who has traveling kids, and we are pursuing experiences over things. We have been to 49 out of the 50 states as a family. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you stick around to the end, you will be able to access my How to Make Money While Traveling guide. Our 49th state as a family was Hawaii. Before we left, we researched for months about what we each wanted to do when we were in Maui. The road to Hana was at the top of our list, so I'm going to share our guide for how we broke it up into 2 days. If you're wondering how long is the road to Hana, it's approximately 64 miles of winding roads with over 600 curves and 50 one-lane bridges. So buckle up and let's get started. Day number 1 for us. Our first stop was at Waianapanapa State Park, where we spent some time at the Black Sand Beach. This was my husband's favorite beach on Maui that we visited. We explored the freshwater caves and we walked through the lava tubes. This is an amazing experience and we highly recommend it. From there, we headed to Homoa Beach, which is a great spot for some swimming and relaxing, and it is said to be one of the most beautiful beaches on Maui. But it began raining when we arrived, so we didn't stay at this beach for long. Next, we made our way to Waluna Falls, which is a breathtaking sight to see. We took some time to snap some pictures and enjoy the view before heading to Haleakala National Park for the 7 sacred pools and the Pipiwai Trail. This hike was a bit challenging, but the scenery was definitely worth it. I truly got choked up with how incredibly beautiful it was. I had to keep reminding myself that I was hiking through a bamboo forest on an island called Maui. I loved every second of it. On our way back, we made a pit stop at the Garden Gourmet for some of the best pizza and Thai food we've ever had. It's a small stand that also sells fresh produce, and it's definitely worth a visit. Be mindful that everything begins closing around 5 or 6, and driving the road to Hana after dark is not for the faint of heart. So try to time it to be off the road before then. We actually did not make it off, and so we had to experience in the dark, and it's definitely not something that I recommend. Day number 2, we started our day at the Maui Garden of Eden, which is a beautiful botanical garden with stunning views of the island. It was a neat experience, but to be honest, we didn't feel it was worth the cost to get in. From there, we drove to the Hana lava tubes, which were a unique and exciting experience and a great learning opportunity for the girls. We stopped at Hana Bowls, a cute little food truck for the best acai bowl I have ever had. Definitely stop there. We stopped next at the Hana Farms roadside stand, where you could pick up some fresh vegetables, fruit, snacks, and souvenirs. We then visited the Hanawai Falls at mile marker 24, followed by the Puawi Kaui Falls at mile marker 22. At these falls, they had a bathroom, and they are known for having cats wandering around. You were able to swim in these falls, which was refreshing, and it's a great photo spot. This was the only falls that we saw that you could get into, so it can get a bit busy, so plan accordingly. Don't miss the Walua Valley State Wayside past mile marker 18 for some breathtaking views. Finally, we visited the Kiana Arboretum, which is even better than the Maui Garden of Eden, and best of all, it's free. We saw a magical grove of rainbow eucalyptus trees, which was on my list to see while we were in Maui. Now, before we end this video, I know some of you might be wondering if the road to Hana is dangerous. The answer is yes, it can be. So, make sure to drive carefully, stay alert, always observe the road signs that tell you if you have the right of way on the one-way bridges. Make sure to check out a Road to Hana stops map before you go so you can plan your trip accordingly, or feel free to follow our itinerary. As promised, I'm going to tell you about my free guide, How to Make Money While Traveling. It has some great work-from-home ideas for moms and highlights why I picked the doTERRA business to pay for all of our trips to 49 states over the past 5 years, plus 2 international trips. It's a great way to earn money while still having the flexibility to travel and spend time with your family. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed following along on our journey along the road to Hana. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures.